My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients: all-purpose flour, condensed milk, a pinch of salt, of course, your cookie cutter. I have unsalted butter and vanilla extract. This is everything you need to make these delicious and amazing condensed milk cookies. So let's get started. I want to start here with my unsalted butter. We want to make sure that we mix it and we cream it completely. You know something? Before you start creaming it, make sure that your butter is at room temperature. That means remove it from the refrigerator at least 3 to 4 hours before making a delicious recipe. I'm adding my vanilla extract and I'm just going to combine it completely, making sure that it's nice and incorporated with the butter. Once you have really mixed the butter, it actually changes color to a very light and pale yellow. And here I'm adding the condensed milk. This condensed milk really gives the cookies an amazing and delicious flavor and texture. Look at this, nice and combined. Now, look how creamy this is. This is exactly how you want to see the mixture of the butter. Now I'm ready to just add all the all-purpose flour. And then I'm going to mix it just a little bit. Please don't forget to add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt really brings up all those delicious flavors. You only need a pinch of salt to get these cookies to really give you that delicious taste. Now incorporate it completely slowly, and then of course use your hands to make the ball of dough. Once this is done, I want to say I'm sorry because I didn't show you the workout with my rolling pin. I was rolling out my dough, getting the cookies, and look at these. These are completely done. And for these 8 ones, I'm going to make a little circle in the center. That means I'm going to help myself with this little gadget, and I'm just going to remove the center. But I'm going to save the center because I'm going to enjoy the centers at the end of the recipe. The reason that I'm making the little hole so that I could add condensed milk at the end when the cookies are nice at room temperature. My oven has been preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, and they're gonna go in the oven for only 12 minutes. Once you put them in there, don't open and close your oven. Just leave them as is for 12 minutes. Once the time is done, then remove the cookies from the oven. 12 minutes have passed, and look at this. They are a little slightly light brown. You don't want them really dark. And let me show you, when you start seeing the little edges getting a little brown, that means your cookies are completely done. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them in a tray so they start cooling down a little faster. This is the rack I'm going to use, and I'm going to start adding the cookies one by one so that they start cooling down and I am able to decorate them. Here at home, I love bringing the kids in the kitchen when we make these delicious cookies. This is the best time. You know why? Because in the morning it's nice and cold. My kids are at home. You know that we are in the epidemic, and we are at home. So this is the best part, to make cookies at home and bring your kids inside of your kitchen and have them help you make these delicious and easy cookies. I'm going to leave them here for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they've been cooled down, then I'm ready to add the filling. I'm adding just a little dollop of the condensed milk and then layering one on top. Look at this. I'm adding just a little more in the center, and this is completely done. You could just enjoy it just as is, but my kids wanted to add powdered sugar on the top. They wanted to add the little sprinkles in the center, and I said, well, why not? Let's do this cookie festive, ready for Christmas. Look at this. My kids are so creative. They're saying, add a little bit of powdered sugar on the top, Mom, and they'll look like snowflakes. And they do. They do look like snowflakes. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. I can't wait to enjoy them. I am completely done with these delicious condensed milk cookies. They come out delicious every time. Look at them. If you have little ones at home, bring them in the kitchen. Have them help you make these delicious cookies at home. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. The condensed milk gave it such an amazing flavor. You guys need to make them at home. Enjoy them with your family like I enjoy them here with my family. And of course, the centers, I didn't throw away. They taste amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home. Enjoy them with your family. The holidays are here, and let's impress our family. These delicious cookies made of condensed milk. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Have a beautiful holidays with your family. Please take care. See you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.